Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you information and fact about the state Assam. Assam is one of the 7 sister states and is encircled by the remaining sister states that are Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh and another state West Bengal. Moreover, the countries Bangladesh and Bhutan share the international borders with this state. The state is surrounded by land. Assam, the gateway to northeast India, is known for its rich and diverse wildlife, amazing traditions, vibrant dance forms, and its hospitality. Favorite among the travelers all over the world, Assam is so much more than a merry tourist destination. Now let's see some of the facts about the state Assam. Assam has its own national anthem called O Moor Apuner Desh, written by famous local poet Lakshminath Bezabura. This anthem was adopted in the year 1927. Though Dispur is an official capital of Assam, it is Guwahati that has all important institutes and amenities. Guwahati houses important institutes like the High Court, National Law University, Indian Institute of Technology, and even police headquarters. Ahom dynasty, which ruled Assam for nearly 600 years, is the longest continued rule by a particular dynasty in the history of India. The might of the Ahom dynasty was such that none of the Muslim invaders, including the Mughals, were able to conquer Assam. India's largest Shakti Peeth, Ma Kamakhya Temple. Ma Kamakhya Temple of Guwahati is one of the oldest temples in India. There are 51 Shakti Peethas in different parts of India as well as in Pakistan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. The Kamakhya Shakti Peeth is considered as the most powerful Shakti Peeth. Jonbeel Mela. It is an annual fair in the state where cashless transactions have been in trend for more than 500 years. Tribes from the hills exchange items with the ones in the plains. World's biggest weaving village, Sulkuchi village. Sulkuchi is a village in Kamrup district which is often dubbed as the Manchester of Assam because of its huge cottage and textile industry. It is famous for producing high quality Mekhala chadars and gamsas which are indigenous to Assam. Muga silk is a golden silk that is produced in Assam and is in huge demand all over the world. The festival of Bihu is celebrated thrice annually. It is celebrated in mid-Jan, mid-April and in mid-October. It is true that every year the mighty river of Brahmaputra gets flooded, causing a lot of damage of life and property. Despite this, one cannot ignore the fact that Assam, Guwahati in particular, is one of the most progressive and globalized state in the country. Majuli is recognized as the largest river island in the world. It is located on the Brahmaputra river and encapsulates a lush green and pollution-free environment. Majuli attracts a lot of tourists every year because of its scenic beauty, its vibrant culture, and the friendly people. Asia's oldest amphitheatre, Rangaghar. Rangaghar is a historic monument located near the town of Shivsagar. It is believed that the monument was constructed around 1744 to 1750 AD, thereby making it one of the oldest. The Rangaghar was used by the Ahom kings as a pavilion to witness games like buffalo fight, wrestling and etc. India's first 5-star river cruise MV Mahabahu is on Brahmaputra. India's longest bridge, Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. This bridge was inaugurated by our Prime Minister on 26th May. It has been renamed after Assam's iconic singer Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. The total length of the bridge is 9.15 kilometers, making it the longest bridge in India. Jo is an ancient pilgrimage center for three religions: Hinduism, Islam, and Buddhism. Oil well at Digboi. The first oil well in Asia was drilled at Digboi in Assam. The first refinery started here as early as 1901. Assam is home to a wide variety of orchid species. More than 500 orchid species are found here. World's largest tea growing region across the state. World's largest tea growing state, Assam is considered the largest tea producing state in the whole world. Assam contributes more than 52% of the country's total tea production. India's tea capital, Jorhat. Jorhat is a major city and district in Upper Assam. It is widely referred to as the tea capital of India. It was the last capital of the Ahom dynasty and is home to some of the oldest historical monuments of Assam. Jorhat produces large quantities of tea which is exported to different countries. Kaziranga is a bona fide World Heritage Site and is home to two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. It is estimated that the population of rhinos in the park is 2,401 as of 2015. Apart from the rhinos, Kaziranga is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. It was also declared a tiger reserve in 2006. India's largest natural zoo, Assam State Zoo. Assam State Zoo is the largest zoo in northeast India, spread across 432 acres of land. It is situated in the capital city of Guwahati and is home to almost 113 species of animals and birds from all around the world. It attracts hundreds of visitors every day. Wearing helmets by the two-wheeler riders is banned in Kokrajhar district of Assam since 2011. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.